Welcome to the channel. If you're interested in discovering secrets and mysterious things like diamonds and gemstones, you're in the right place. On this channel, we reveal the truth using simple methods you can try at home, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Can something as simple as vinegar really tell you if this stone is a real diamond or a fake? Today, I'm going to test this method step by step right in front of you. And the result might surprise you. A lot of people believe there are easy home methods to identify diamonds, and one of the most popular is the vinegar test, but does it actually work? Let's try it and find out the truth. Before we start, you'll only need a few simple things: white vinegar, a glass cup, the stone you want to test, and a tissue or cloth. Very simple, and that's exactly why this test is so popular online. Now, we place the stone inside the glass, then pour the vinegar over it. And wait a little. What should you notice? If the stone is a real diamond, almost nothing should happen. No bubbles, no changes, it stays exactly the same. But if it's fake or another type of stone, you might see bubbles, a color change, or even a loss of shine. This is because vinegar contains a mild acid called acetic acid, which can react with some materials, but not with real diamonds. The science behind it is simple. Diamonds are extremely strong and resistant to chemical reactions, while fake stones like glass or certain minerals can be affected even by mild acids. But here's the important part: some stones may not react either, which means this test is not 100% reliable. That's why you shouldn't rely on this test alone. Many home tests are not fully accurate and can give misleading results. Also, if the stone is set in a ring, vinegar might damage the metal over time. If you want to be more sure, you can try other methods like the fog test, real diamonds clear up quickly, or the water test, real diamonds sink fast due to their density, or simply observe the sparkle and light reflection. But the best option will always be to have it checked by a professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And let me know in the comments, do you want more gemstone testing videos? See you in the next video. Rock it.